Hi, my name is Adrian. I'm 30 years old and I'm coming from Moldova. Since I was 20, I've been struggling with hair loss, and 2 years ago I went to Turkey to fix my problem. So this was my first intervention here in Istanbul at another clinic. But after 1 year passed by, the density in my crown area was not enough, and I was missing density in the front area. So in order to fix that, I did a bit of research based on the feedback I saw online, based on the other people who were using different clinics around Istanbul, because it's worth mentioning that in Istanbul you have hundreds and thousands of clinics which are doing the hair transplant, and you should be really careful in finding the right one. So the main criteria why I choose Vera Clinic was based on the experience of one of my friends. He told me he was satisfied with the results, with the people who were working here, with the cleanliness of the clinic. Everything was literally top notch. That's why I'm here. And with my second hair transplant, I wanted to cover my crown area and to fix completely this chapter in my life. So, as you see probably here, the doctor got 500 grafts from my beard and another 3,500 from my donor area. Now we are in the second day of the hair transplant, post surgery, and this is literally, it happened 24 hours ago, and I got 2 hours ago my hair washed, I got the bandage, I got washed also with antiseptic my beard area. As you see, I can touch it, there is no pain, literally no pain. I feel no pain now in my donor area also. So everything it's completely fine. One of maybe another reason why I came to Istanbul also is because of the city itself. I mean, immediately after this interview, what we will do, I will go outside because there are people and friends home which are waiting for me to bring some baklava, some sweets. So if you are not coming for a hair transplant, just come for the city itself. I'm in the Grand Bazaar now. As you see, my back, everything looks amazing. And as I was saying recently, during my first procedure, I didn't manage to go out. Actually, I was closed in the hotel room. But now, 24 hours later, even faster, with this hat on, with mask, and do whatever you want. Here, at the end of the procedure, I got a report with number of grafts. Look how does it look, right? You have single graft, the number of it, double graft, triple graft, quadruple graft. So you have everything in a nice report. So you know clearly how much, where, and how it was extracted. This is amazing. So just to conclude, if you're looking for a hair transplant clinic, if you want to have your hair done, if you want to fix it, I just can recommend. So, thank you.